Welcome to ATech. Today I will tell you that how you can create two Instagram accounts on one mobile phone at the same time. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for such an amazing tricks. So now you can see that I have only one Instagram account and I will tell you that how you can create another one. So now we will move to settings. So after scrolling you can see apps and permissions option. We will simply open it, and here you can see app clone option. If you don't find this option, you can simply click on search button, and here you can search app clone, CLONE, and you can find this interface. Here you can see different options, but we want to create two Instagram accounts, so we will click on Instagram enable button. So we will simply click it, and you can see duplicate icon added to desktop. So now you can see the magic. We will go back, and you can see there are two Instagram accounts on my home screen. So in this way you can use two Instagram accounts. If you like the trick, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.